we just pulled up. I have my pajamas on. And we just got these chairs. Manny, did you get the chairs?
Of course I got the chairs, man. I always get the stuff.
Can you please explain what happened when we first seen these chairs?
What you mean, like the whole story?
Yeah.
So we was driving to a garage sale, and on the way there we bumped into a sign that somebody else was having a garage sale. So we stopped, and the guy had a bunch of, like, it wasn't too great stuff.
Wait. We got to back it up. You passed the garage sale, and I said, Manny, there's a sign.
Oh, we starting this part again. You want the credit again. Okay, yeah.
So we had to do a U-turn.
So we did the U-turn.
Because I got good eyes.
Yeah, but it was a more important sale that we was going to. But
yeah.
we stopped, and then like I said, he didn't have a lot of nothing really. It was only one thing that he had that kind of stood out. And
remind you, when we pulled up, there was a billion cats, and it smelled like cat pee.
It did.
It was crazy. That smell was crazy. I was ready to leave.
Yeah.
But at the corner of my eye, I seen these chairs, and he happened to be sitting in one. So it was a pair of chairs, and these chairs,
weird looking.
They were like, it looked like, I don't know. They just look old.
Yeah.
And I felt it, and like the seat was super soft. I never seen chairs like that.
We couldn't figure out what it was. There's a part to it that we'll show you that we couldn't figure out what it was until we started like searching it out.
Well, he couldn't figure it out either.
He still didn't figure it out.
No, he still don't know. We were trying to guess.
We figured it out.
Yeah, I don't know. We did some research on it. He offered us. We asked him how much was the pair of chairs. He told us $30 for the pair.
$30.
Yeah. So we left because we weren't sure. We did some research in the car. Came back, what, 15 minutes?
It couldn't have been more than 10 minutes.
I want to say 10 minutes.
We were talking in the car for like 10 minutes.
And what happened when you came back?
So I'm like, I tell the dude, I'm like, okay, well, she liked the chairs. We'll go ahead and take it. And then I'm like, okay, so it's $30. And he's like he was confused. Like,
well, we tried to offer him $25, remember?
Oh, yeah. We tried to offer him $25. And he's like, ain't no way type of thing. And I'm like, okay, well, like I try to haggle with him for a little bit, but he was like, no way. So I'm like, okay, well, we'll just do the 30 then. And he's like, I can't get rid of this for 30. I'm like, but bro, you just told me $30 for the pair. And he's like, there's no way. I paid. And he started thinking. He went into like his memory bank. I don't know how much he paid, but he was like, I can't get rid of it for less than 45. And then he went on and on about how much he liked the chairs and how comfortable they are and blah blah blah. And then we was like 45, which is still, I wanted them, but we was like, yeah, we left.
We left. We were like, you know what? This dude changing his mind. It don't make no sense. We just left.
Yeah.
And then we did some more research.
We did.
And by the time we got home from the other garage sale, it was late. Yeah. It was dark. And we did research. And I went to kick Manny because we found these chairs.
Yeah. Put them out. We'll post it up in the video so you can see.
Yeah, we're gonna post it right here in this corner in a second.
Yeah.
But so by the time that we did the research and found out how much they could possibly be worth, they're not in bad condition. It probably needs.
This needs a remake.
Yeah, but the most important thing is the seat is in good condition.
Yeah.
So the arms probably need to be painted. We need to find out exactly what we have, but we have a couple of pictures of what it could possibly be.
Yeah, let's find out. Let's find out what it
is. Wait. And the price that we found for one is just crazy.
Yeah.
And just remember, we don't have one. We have two. We have two. Yeah. So before Manny shows you these chairs, it's like 4 days after we went there.
4 days.
And I told Manny, you need to just show up at the dude's house, knock on his door, because he said he has garage sales all the time, and just pick up these chairs. And so Manny went today.
And when I pulled up, he was sitting outside, sitting on the chairs too.
He was sitting on the chairs.
Every time I pulled up, he was sitting on the chairs.
So what happened when you had to when you went up to his door?
So,
because remember, you guys, the price first was 30, then it was 45. Yeah. Manny went today, and how much was it?
It was 45, but real hesitant. I'm like, okay, well, we talked the other day. First of all, I go up to the thing and I'm like, yo, you remember me the other day? You told me the chair's at 30, and then you say you couldn't do it, and then you gave it to me for 45. And he was like he didn't want to get rid of it at 45. He's like, they're good chairs. And then I'm like, bro, you just told me the price. So do you not want to sell it, or what's happening here? And the guy, after a little back and forth, he was like, let me ask my daughter. And I'm like, all right, well, do what you gotta do. I don't know if it's the daughter chairs or what. So he go in there for 5 minutes. I'm waiting, and he come out, and so he like, okay, give it to me for the $45. So I took the chairs.
No, you did not.
I for sure did.
No, you did not, Manny. What happened was the dude was like, I don't have change. So Manny had to go over and get change, and then go back and get the chairs.
Yeah.
All right, so you guys ready to see these chairs? You guys are not gonna believe the price of one. All right, I'm gonna stay right here. Look at the sky.
I should have moved over.
The sky is really pretty. All right, so remember, you guys, we got 2 of these chairs. If you can let us know any information about these chairs, please let us know. We did a couple research, we did a couple searches, and we think we know what it is, but if you guys know for sure, let us know. Okay, wait, you got to push that part in.
Yeah, so this is the chair.
All right, you guys, this is the chair, and it's getting a little dark, so hopefully you guys can see okay. But this is the chair that we seen. And again, we have 2. But let me show you the leather part. Look at how pretty that is. You can see the detail on this chair.
Super soft chair. He was right about it.
Yeah, it's super soft, super soft. So the major things that we probably have to fix are these marks right here.
Yeah.
But the chair just looks super old to me. Let me come back this way and show you. So that's what it looks like. This is the back. So what we'll probably do is call up.
I probably should clean this before I be sitting in it.
Yeah, I think you should clean it.
Look how big the chair is.
All right, so there's Manny in the chair. It's super comfortable. So we end up paying we end up paying $45 for the set of chairs.
Where they do that at?
Okay, show them the secret gadget that we got.
Yeah, so he couldn't figure this out. The best he came up with was what do you call it?
He said you could pull these out for TV trays.
TV
I don't
trays.
think so.
It's on each side. If I put a TV tray on this, first of all, it's not even level. There's no way. So,
yeah, and they don't connect. If you guys look at these, it doesn't connect. If any of you guys know what this is, what kind of chair this is, please let us know. But we think we might have figured it out.
Yeah.
Doing research, what'd you find out?
So I don't know if it is though. So it's supposed to be it comes out and it lets it recline, but I don't know now. It doesn't look like it slides back anywhere. So we might still be at a loss.
All right, so I don't know. I mean,
so I saw a chair similar to it, and when they pull this out, it would recline. So that's what we were hoping we had.
But it doesn't recline.
It doesn't. Maybe I just haven't figured it out yet, but it doesn't look like it reclines.
I don't know.
So what is this for then?
I don't know. Again, you guys, if you guys know any information about this type of chair, what's it called, how old it is.
Maybe it is a TV tray.
I don't think it's a TV tray. I don't know. Let us know, you guys. So it has like all of these right here, all around the chair. It's a good quality chair. I mean, it just looks old. And doing the research, I remember when we did the research, I think it said the chairs are from the 1800s or something.
18th century.
18th century.
Yeah.
But
So
we have no clue what this part is. So we're going to have to make some phone calls, babe.
yeah, for sure. If you know what it is, I got to figure this out. This is going to drive me nuts. If you know what this is, comment below. Let me know what we do with this. I'm going to figure it out, but if I can shortcut it with you guys, please help us out.
Yeah, let us know in the comments what this part is for, because I don't think it's a TV tray. So the guy told us it might be for a TV tray, and then he even told us it might be for a footrest.
Ain't no way this is
I don't even know how you even put your feet up there. No, don't break it.
Ain't no way.
Maybe it is.
It would break it.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. And both of them come out.
Yeah.
So that's the second one that comes out, and it comes out from this part right here.
Yeah. Maybe it floats in the water and you like row it.
I don't know. I have no clue.
It's a rowboat.
Manny, that was weak. A rowboat chair.
Yeah.
All right. So again, you guys, let us know in the comments if you guys know what this is. Let us know if you would have paid $45 for the set. And I guess we'll see you guys on next video. We're gonna keep hunting.